Want a quick, easy way to uncover what people in your organization need and want from their technology? Then you need to learn how to move, groove, and improve. Hi, I'm Diana Van Blaricom, ROI Healthcare Solutions VP of HCM Strategic Services. Let me walk you through the process to conduct a simple exercise that will help you gather a ton of constructive feedback in a short amount of time and maybe have a little fun along the way. Here's the process for conducting a Move, Groove, and Improve workshop. First, you'll need to determine your topics. I try to keep these focused and specific so that the feedback is precise and targeted. Think in terms of a process. Some examples for HR and your frontline managers might be completing an appraisal, or enrolling in benefits, or maybe it's onboarding an employee. Think about what the process is so that you target your feedback for that process. Invite the attendees. Be sure to mix up the group with folks who have both positive and negative criticism on the topic. This exercise helps drive and structure that feedback. It's important to understand what the attendee's perspective is. You need to structure any criticism and channel it into a business requirement. You want 3 to 5 attendees per topic. It's about collaborating and talking about your needs. Attendees will provide feedback on more than one topic. You can rotate them around, but this will allow you to get an appropriate sized group for your workshop. Once everyone has assembled and you inform them of the ground rules, you'll need to assign someone to the workshop roles for each topic. You'll need a scribe for the topic, a presenter for the topic, because we're going to talk about it when you're done, and a timekeeper, which could also be you if you're leading the workshop. You'll need to reassure them that their feedback is important and that you want to better understand their business needs. This workshop will help you do that. Now, most people don't like role-playing exercise and other workshop-y type of formats, but this workshop allows for targeting conversations around specific topics, so it's much less intimidating for people. So, no role-playing. The great thing about this exercise is that it's easy to set up, cost-effective to conduct, and the results are high value. And it can be done for a wide range of topics. You just need to determine where you want to start. And you may find that it's so effective, you can use it across your entire organization. You can use it in meetings. To prepare for the workshop, simply write your topic at the top of a flip chart or whiteboard, and then create a section where users will write down what they want to start doing, stop doing, and continue doing. It's that simple. Now, you may need to monitor the groups and ensure that they actually write stuff down. That's the hard part, because once they get talking, but have them read the sentence out loud when they're done and make sure that it's clear and concise. It's really about putting a framework on their business requirement. Again, ask them, what do you want to start doing, stop doing, or continue doing? You want to start doing something you're not doing today because there's a business need. You want to stop doing things that are ineffective. And you want to continue doing things that are necessary. Those might be your regulatory items, your compliance or audit items. But there are things that are working today, and those are the things you want to hear about as well. So remember, get out there and move, groove, and improve.